prophecy foretold that this night would come. One bite can turn the living into the damned. And once they hunt, there is no escape. No one is safe. The rulers of the night are ready for war, but so are the ones who dare fight them. Between love and eternal hunger, she must choose. This blood moon will decide the fate of them all. This night will never end.
Princess Aurelia, clad in travel-worn silks, shines a lantern on a colossal frog. Perched regally on a moss